This is the most refreshing drink I have ever had. Yeah, over here we have some June plum. My June plum is not fully green. Then we have some ginger and some cucumber. I have this lemon here, but I don't know if I'm going to use the lemon. After I blend up my thing, sweeten it and taste it and see how it tastes, then I will know if I want to go ahead and add the lemon. So yeah man, cucumber and June plum drink, that's how we do. So watch this now. I'm going to pour some water in the blender. Yeah, then we are going to put some, well, you can put any one of them you want to put in first. It doesn't have to be the June plum first or the cucumber, you know. Any one of the fruits you want to put in, you can put them in first. But we start with our June plum, dash in our cucumber. Yeah. And we're going to dash in some ginger as well. Flavor up the thing. You don't know ginger have that earthy taste. You know, good to blend with your juice, and you don't know ginger have a lot of health benefits. Yeah man, if I start naming the health benefits that ginger have, it's not going to end for today. So we'll cover that, booms, and blend that just like that. Now after several blending, this is what our juice look like, ready to strain. Yeah, so we're going into the straining process now. And we are off into that straining process. And you know, you want to strain this off nice and easy and clean, you know. You don't want to feel nothing inside your mouth going down your throat when drinking. So you know, yeah man, we're straining it off nice and good like that. So you know, we're not going to just throw away this like that. We're going to use our hand and we're going to squeeze out all of that juice. Yeah, all of that goodness, niceness that our juice has to offer to us. Yeah, we're going to squeeze him out. Yeah. Or you could just go ahead and use your spatula. So this is it. Yeah, when I squeeze out everything, guys, squeeze the life out of it. Yeah man, I want all my juice. Yep. I'm gonna go straight ahead now and mix my juice. So I am using 1/2 cup of sugar. If it happen to want more, I will just apply. But for right now, I'm using 1/2 cup. So I'm gonna mix it, then taste it and see what is happening. Yeah. And peeps, you know men drink enough, right? Yeah man. On a regular basic, men, they drink a lot. It is weird. You may find that a man that don't drink a lot, but trust me, man drink whole heap, man. Yeah man, all of the man them that is on my page that don't drink a lot, comment and let me know. Make me see if we may a chat of foolishness. Man drink enough, man. Me no know you can drink enough, so brother. Then drink whole heap. So on a hot sunny day, this is really nice to have a glass. But wait, when you talk about glass, I may just say man them drink enough. A glass can't do them. Them need a jug. Yeah man, them need a jug of this to drink, man. Refreshing and nice. So we're gonna go ahead and taste up with it now and see what is what. We are on our final strain, and you don't know your girl have to use her cloth strainer. to get rid of any little particles that may be passed through the strainer that cannot be avoided. Yeah. And not only that, guys, you don't know, say, the sugar have a little thing where it go on with sometime, have some little something, yeah, in it. So, you know, we want everything clean and nice so we can enjoy it. So, yeah, man, we're going ahead now and we're going to strain this off. Final strain, yeah. Get rid of everything. That's the reason for using the cloth strainer. So this is our lovely, refreshing June plum and cucumber. Guys, some meal in the house here. I know none of this now stay for tomorrow. Yeah? I show you the whole heap of juice and how it got done. None of this now left for tomorrow. Tell us a man drink enough, you know. Then drink a whole heap. Yeah, man. So I eat that. We don't need no ice. We just need to just let that chill on the fridge and we just have that. Because I don't use too much sugar. So if you know you're going to put some ice in it, just put some more sugar. I mean, put the amount of sugar to your liking and your preference. So I eat that, guys.